Okay, don't move yet. Because at the root of every tree, good watering and good foundation, it takes the teachers and the people who put it together. I want you up here, please. All of you who are associated with this group. This, you know, and I'll tell you something. I have never attended one of the programs before. I hear about them, I read about them. I heard about the award-winning performances. Last year, we actually had them booked to come here, and then Napanee remembered the little tragedy we had with our firemen, and so they couldn't come. We awarded the firemen from here, and we thanked them for their contribution to our community. You guys are fabulous. Oh. And I'll tell you right now, you're booked for next year. Okay? I don't want to do another show, another year, without having you being a part of it. You made the show at this point. I know we have all the different cultures that we do, and we have the most fabulous show that Napanee ever seen, and I can tell you that for sure. But you really brought some height to it, and I really, really appreciate the hard work and the culture that you put into learning to dance and dancing with us. Thank you very, very much. You know, I'm very proud of you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.